Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to use images and icons with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So suppose I have a situation so that I have this login form and I want to set a nice looking picture which suits my login form uh, in my project. So how can I do that? Or I have a situation that I want to show icon on this button. So all this I will show you in this video. So let's set a picture on this form first. So go to the toolbox and there is a tool called picture box in your Visual Basic toolbox. You can resize it, just drag and drop and resize, and when you click this small arrow button you will be able to see the size mode and the dock in parent container and choose image. So first of all we will choose our image, and I will choose an image from local resource. So I will just select this radio button and import an image, and I will simply import a image here and I will click OK. So you can see image is set in your picture box, but when I stretch my picture box you see that the image is not totally fitting to the picture box. So how to fix it? Once again, there are two ways. You can go to this arrow button once again, and you can choose the size mode from here. So there are some size mode. So for example, there is auto size which makes a picture bigger, or according to the size of the picture your picture box will be sized. But if your picture is bigger and your picture box is smaller, I will suggest you to use stretch image, so that the picture will be adjusted according to the picture box size. Oh, okay. Or you can use this zoom also to stretch your or stretch or size your image according to the picture box, but the best is stretch image. Okay, so now this is done. Now I will show you how to set an icon on this button. So first of all, let me show you how you can get icons and other things from internet. It's very easy and free. So just go to your browser and say free icons. Okay, and the first option that you will see here, or there are some options available which provides free icon online, but generally I go to a site called icon archive, which is a large amount of icon you can find here, and I go inside it and I will find according to my need. For example, I need a OK icon, so here you can find all the icon related to OK. And the other thing is the size of the icon. So my button is sized, and a little button, and I want to have a icon which is sized as my login button. So I can choose my icon size from here. So go to this size, and for example generally a small button takes 16 by 16 px, or you can choose this 24 by 24 px also. And when you choose it, it will give you bigger image option. And then I will go to the first option, PNG image, and I will right click and save as, and I will save my this image in my desired location. Once you have done that, just select your login button and go to search for uh, the image property here. So select the button and go to the image property. This is image property, and click the small button. And now this is the same way we have imported the earlier image. I will choose my OK icon image and click OK. And you see here your icon is placed into the login button, but you also see that it's placed in the middle, and your login text is also in the middle. So how you can resolve that so that icon will be on the left side and the login text will be on the right side. So just choose the icon align property from here, and you can choose the alignment of the icon. So I choose the left middle, and now your icon is on the left middle. Okay, and once again I will go to the button properties, and now I will go to the text align from here, and I can choose the text alignment from here also. So for example, middle right. Okay, and now you can resize your button and it will look good now. So in this way you can change the property, and you can set the icons on the buttons, and you can set the image with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and